Magandang hapon po ng January 23, 2024 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng January 23, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, January 23, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. See you again later for 9pm result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 23, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 64 million pesos. Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 34 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for Tuesday, January 23, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for January 23, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.